Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have ever needed to combine multiple Microsoft Word documents into a single file, you know that copying and pasting can be a tedious process. Today, I will show you a much faster way to merge your files in just a few clicks. Open a blank Microsoft Word document to get started. Navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen. Look towards the right side of the ribbon for the text group, and click the small drop-down arrow next to the object icon. From the menu, choose Text from File. A File Explorer window will appear. Browse to the folder where your Word documents are saved. You can hold down the Control key on your keyboard to select multiple files at once. A quick tip is to click the files in the exact order you want them to appear in your final document. Click the Insert button. Microsoft Word will instantly pull all the content from your selected files and merge them seamlessly into your new document. All your text will be combined automatically without opening each file individually. It is really that simple. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional guides. Thanks for watching.